All right, 2003 Saab 9-3 ARC. Picked it up this week. Steering column lock failure. And then the owner also said one key may or may not be working. So here's an ignition switch module, which everybody thinks always is the problem. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. Took this one apart. I have a spare one as well. Cleaned the contacts. I'll upload those pictures as well later. But essentially what you can do is you can fix it by disabling the turning mechanism lock, which is that little spring mechanism there, and then you can turn the key to the on position, even to start position, without it being powered up. Alright. So I have a spare one of these in the car right now. That's the original 03 one, which is the much desired lighted model. So right now it's bypassed, so you can turn it manually. So there it is in the on position. I'm still getting an immobilizer fault. But at any rate, you put it to the on position. Everything clear, goes through the checks, turns on, but it won't start. So it's in the on position, it's in park. Come over here to fuse box, take out relay 8, which is the yellow one, normally resides right here, and you take a mechanism, also known as a jumper, and you fire it up. Get in there. Purrs like a kitten. This one's an ARC, so it's basically the Arrow from 2003, so it has the high pressure turbo, HID lights, park assist, the upgraded sound system, automatic transmission, reasonably nice wheels, 16s. I actually like the double Ys or the Vector wheels best, but it has the ventilated rear discs, has the park assist in the back, and it's Merlot red. A couple lights are out on it, but everything works.